tried to stop them. I ended up giving them exactly what they wanted. I should have killed him and found him in those woods. It would have been better for everyone.
The rest of us would have done it. So why didn't you? Why didn't you?
I don't know.
That's not an answer.
Why is this so important to you all of a sudden?
Because I want to remember what you say right now.
Because I was weak. Because I was a coward. Because I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
Whatever, I wouldn't! I'm the first Viking in who knows how long who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First or I wouldn't though.